Great writing, like a big train, is much like an engine with the ending car, the caboose. A train keeps moving down the track. Great writing moves in a forward direction. It starts with a powerful beginning, and it goes through its details, and it ends with a mighty ending, as in the case of a train, the caboose. We've discussed beginnings and how you can start by asking a question or quoting, but the ending is very much like the beginning. You can leave the reader of your paper very much the same way. You can leave the reader of your paper by quoting, saying something funny, saying something thoughtful, being moralistic, leaving them with something to think about. Yes, writing is very much like a train moving down the track. It's moving, it's powerful, it goes somewhere, it has something to say, and you might even say each boxcar or tanker car or whatever car it's towing is each a little thought being developed as it moves down the track towards the end of the line. Great writing is much like a powerful train. It has a strong beginning, like a locomotive, that leads the way down the track. Lots of details and supporting information come in the middle, like the boxcars and tankers and the flatbed cars. And an ending that completes the essay, much like that of a caboose that ends a train. Remember, the endings of an essay leaves the reader feeling satisfied. The last point you write is the last thing your reader will remember. So, end with a question, or end with something funny, or end with a moral or a lesson to be learned, or a quote of something thoughtful, or anything solid that leaves the reader knowing there is no more to say and you are finished.